Hey guys, I'm Sam with Papago Vans, and we are coming to you with this gorgeous beast of a van. Starting at the nose, we've got the flatline bumper. A couple of things I want to point out about this bumper. This does have a couple of upgrades on it. The bull bar on here, as well as the fair winch lead. This bumper is super rugged. It does wrap all the way around the van, giving you more coverage if you're out and you hit anything. Mounted directly to that bull bar, we've got the Baja Design LP6s, and in the bumper are the squadron lights. And mounted directly into that bumper here, we've got the 12,000-pound Warn winch. We've got the 50-inch KC light bar mounted directly to the drop front of that flatline safari rack. All of these lights are in our upgraded light package. Now down below, we've got the upgraded rims and tire package on this van. These are the Black Rhino Arsenals, wrapped in the Nitto Ridge Grappler. And then peeking inside, we've got a Van Compass Stage 4.3 suspension system in here, just improving your ride and giving it a bit of a lift. The ladder is going to help you get up to the top of the van. That's going to be super important if you're out on a road and it gets super dusty and you need to dust off those solar panels up top, or if you want to mount anything to the roof rack. The safari rack is really great for that. On the back of this bad boy, we've got the ladder tire carrier combo from Flatline with the full-size spare mounted directly to it. And on the passenger side, the platform as well as the storage box. Now this box will not mount directly to the van, which is why that platform is so important to have there. But the MOLLE panel also allows you to mount additional gear to it. So the MOLLE panel on the platform as well as the box. But there's more MOLLE panel up on the inside. So if you want to hang your garbage bag or additional gear here, this box is super great. If you've got some stinky garbage, or maybe your mother-in-law's dog who won't stop barking, throw them in here and you'll be good to hit the road. And now, I know what you're thinking, what's in the trunk, Sam? I'll show you. This is super exciting. We've never done this before, and we've been asking ourselves, why not? So we've got not one, not two, but 3 flatline pull-out trays in this van. You're gonna be able to access all of the gear in here. And again, these do have a 500-pound load capacity, so you're gonna be able to load these bad boys up. You can strap all of your gear down as well, so that it's not moving around and shifting when you're driving on those back roads. Now we've got 800 amp hours of lithium-ion battery in this van with the 3,000-watt inverter. The ARB air compressor is going to allow you to air up your bike tires or air down your van tires. We have fit a 33-gallon potable water tank in here, as well as the outdoor shower port. This hooks up super easy. Love this from Sobo Outdoors. They are amazing. Boom, look at all that water pressure. That wraps up the backside. Let's move around to this side. This beautiful awning is from Nomadic. It's fully electric. It does have lights at either end. One button, there we go. Does have lights at either end that are gonna illuminate your campsite. This is mildew proof, mold proof, UV proof. It is gonna be able to withstand all of the weather and still provide you plenty of shade on those hot summer days. And to the inside, you may have seen me touch this just a moment ago, but this is gonna be for retracting and extending your awning. This is for the awning lights. This is for the perimeter lights, and this will turn on and off the lights inside the van. Now, before we step inside, I wanna point out, because this is such an important feature on the vans, you don't really realize how tall these vans are until you're next to one. The side steps, and this does have side steps on both sides. These are from Flatline. They have the additional grip on here. These help you get in and out of the van a lot. And then we've got the step extension as well. So this is gonna, it's really nice and clean and gives you that little cubby there so that you have some place to put your muddy shoes, any gear that you want to be able to access easily from outside the van. Headliner shelf, this is from Van Wife. It's just going to give you additional storage in a spot that was just unusable before. There's tons of overhead storage in this van, with the control panel being over here. We got the water pump, the freeze protect. This is a newer feature. This is gonna, it's heaters that are gonna go on your water tank so that those don't freeze if you're camping somewhere super cold. Your shower drain and your water heater. We've got the battery monitor as well as the inverter monitor there. Now let's not skip the kitchen. This stainless steel sink is so cool. It's got the little insert to go in there, wash all of your tomatoes. We've got a fridge freezer combo here. This is the Cruise 65. It's gonna be a little bit smaller, but it's perfect for a weekend warrior van. Down below the sink is the 4-gallon hot water tank, and I'm gonna point out in a minute why it's so important for that to be right there. There's additional storage down below the fridge, and that is where we've got that single induction cooktop. So you'll be able to pull that out, plug it in up here, and put it away when you're done cooking. Circling back to why it's so important that that water heater is under the sink. So this van has a shower right in the middle. So this is the shower curtain, and these hook directly into these hooks up top. And then the shower pan is right here. So then that shower curtain will circle around. You unscrew the sink head, and then the shower head will screw directly into it here. And then you have your shower head, which is why it's so important for that hot water heater to be here so that you are getting the freshest hot water and that it's not having to cycle through the whole van to get to you. All right, so that's the shower. And right underneath here is the Lavio dry flush. You've heard me talk about these. No spills, no smells. They're absolutely amazing. This one is Velcroed in there. Super easy to pull out, super easy to put away. But that Velcro strap is just gonna hold it in place so it's not jiggling around. So your shower area also doubles as your dining area. We've got the lagoon table, and this will fold all of the way out. We custom make this tabletop with the drink holder in the center. We've got a queen size mattress in here, and that's a super dope, super plush memory foam mattress. You're gonna be sleeping like a baby. This breeze feels amazing right here. I'm gonna tell you, I wanna take a nap right now. Hot summer nights, you can pop on that AC unit. That's gonna bring in so much cool air. These are super efficient. They're meant to be used off-grid, so you don't need to plug into shore power to use them. Additional storage space up above the bed area for all of your books. And then, one of my favorite features, we've got this super nifty little shelf here. You can put your little plants, put your keys, it's your catch-all, you put your Tylenol in there, so it's easy to grab from the bed. All right, well, I hope you liked this van. I hope you liked this video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And turn on your notifications. We've got new vans coming out, and we're gonna be posting a video every week, baby. Bye.